Hi gang, welcome to Mr. Ed Draws, and in this episode I'll be doing a video for the Art Addicts Alliance, and the prompt for this video is a fresh start. Now I say a video for instead of an artwork for because the artwork I made really isn't about a fresh start. This video is more about a fresh start because it's been so, my studio has just been a wreck, and walking in here depresses me because the potential is lost. And it was overwhelming to get it straightened out. So I set up my camera. I was like, you know, I'll just make a video about straightening out your workstation here. So this is just part of the work I did yesterday, just straightening out this small part here. Took me a couple hours. And then there were other messes all over the place. I had to clean off my light table. I had to get some stuff off the floor and onto some racks that a friend gave me, and I had to prepare some space for another rack that I've ordered that's on its way. So I'm getting things organized and all feng shuied. I've been in here for about a year, so I should be able to produce some really awesome videos, some really awesome art, but that really hasn't happened. Last year I spent more time than I wanted to dealing with some things that had, you know, they're just the inevitabilities of life that have come up, and I had to take care of those right away. And when I came back, things were in such a mess that it was almost impossible for me to do artwork. I did some artwork in my other apartment, which turned into a complete mess, and I was like, this is getting out of hand. So I finally bared down. I got some time off from work, which was one of the major constraints. Was my other job was taking up so much of my energy and so much of my time that it was just hard to get the time and the energy at the same place to take care of what I needed to take care of. So it finally happened, and I got some much needed time to do the things I need to do: clean up my studio, make a video for the Art Addicts Alliance, create some art so I feel like I'm being a productive human being, and justifying having an art studio instead of just a storage shed. So I was really proud of myself yesterday. I did a lot of work. I wanted to do a video yesterday, but I was so worn out. I was like, I'll just wait until tomorrow when I have a fresh start. So it kind of falls into the theme. I haven't posted for the Art Addicts Alliance in a while because I just, like I said, if I didn't have the space to do it, I didn't have the ideas. I just have been going through some artist block in that regard, but I came up with this idea and I really liked it. It's based on a previous artwork where each finger had just one tree, and I changed it in this video to be in groves of trees because it elevated the scale, made it look a lot larger as a landscape, and I kind of like that idea. I hope you like the idea too. If you do, leave me a like. Leave me a comment. What's it say to you? Does it say a fresh start? I doubt it. But if it does, let me know. I'd be interested in hearing that. If you don't know what the Art Addicts Alliance is, I'll explain a little bit. The Art Addicts Alliance is a group of artists from around the world who have different styles and different interests in art, and each month we are prompted by either our fans selecting a theme or the group members selecting a theme. You know, whatever. I'm not quite sure where that's at, but we're working on it. You know, if enough people in the group can think of themes, then that's what we do. If we are burnt out of ideas, we'll just hand that off to our fans and followers and let them pick it. So whatever the case may be. And if you want to see other videos from the Art Addicts Alliance, just Art Addicts Alliance keyword in the search on YouTube, and you will see loads of videos from a dozen or so artists, and I am sure you will enjoy those, and you'll find something that you'll really be interested in. So be sure to check those out as well. Wow, it looks like we made it to the end of another video. All right. I hope to see you guys again real soon. Watch my other videos, hit the like, subscribe, the bell, comment, all that stuff, and until next time, take care.